Motos, Cades, and Coffee.
Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee, a channel that focuses on all things arcades, pinball, motorcycles, and coffee. I'm going to give you a Royal Enfield Himalayan update. I got a big update coming to you, and it involves a trip I'm taking on the East Coast, all the way from Maryland, about Baltimore, Maryland, to Prince Edward Island, Canada, kind of north, and there's the island north and east of Nova Scotia. So I'm going to be heading up there on a solo motorcycle camping tour, and I'm really excited about that. This is my second big long tour. I'm going to meeting a buddy up there, Island ADV. Check out his YouTube channel. I'll put a link here as well as drop a link below. And I'm going to take my Royal Enfield Himalayan. It's going to be a mix. I've decided that I want to go on the East Coast quite a bit and see a lot of the ocean and so forth, but I also want to do some off-road riding, and not necessarily, they don't actually go together so much. There's a lot less dirt roads like right on the coast than there is a little bit inland. There's an NEBDR that's quite a bit more inland, which I do want to do. So I'm still debating exactly the path I'm going to take, but I think I want to mix up sightseeing with a little bit of off-road ADV action, and that's the whole purpose of an adventure bike, right? So let's go do that. I'm excited, I'll bring that to you. But here's my Royal Enfield update, my Himalayan update. So as most of you know, if not, I have gotten quite a bit of mods to my Himalayan, mainly on the power side of the house. I gotten a big bore kit, Hitchcock's big bore kit, and high performance cam, plus a performance computer, high performance airflow intake, a K9 air filter, and so forth. And I dynoed it. I got 24 horsepower at the rear wheel. It's from 19 to 24, or almost 25, so about 6-7 horsepower there, I think. I want a little bit more, but what I'm also doing to take advantage of that horsepower is also I put a different rear sprocket, front sprocket, a 1 tooth less, more front sprocket, 15T front sprocket, get me a little bit better highway cruising speed. It mellows out the low end a little bit. Well, it doesn't really mellow it out. It just really doesn't change it much from stock. And what I'm noticing is that my clutch just doesn't have the gripping power to utilize that grunt right off the bat. So what I ended up doing is I got a new high performance clutch from Hitchcock and high performance springs, and I'm throwing those in there to really take advantage of that grunt and not slip as much as I was doing on the first place. I had 11,000 miles on there, so it's probably not a bad idea with that extra horsepower. Plus, I got a new slip-on muffler, a little bit less weight, and it has a detachable baffle, so I can't wait to hear how that sounds. Save a little weight. And then also, I got a piggyback performance ECU from Powertronics that goes on the standard Powertronics ECU that automatically adjusts for the air-fuel ratio to get optimized performance the entire time. So takes a little bit of the guesswork out and just automatically gets that air-fuel ratio right. The reason I was doing that is because when I got my bike dynoed and driving it a few hundred miles afterwards, there was a little hiccup about 4,500 RPM. It would just kind of sag and then kind of slowly build up. So I wasn't liking that aspect from the big bore kit in cam and performance updates. Lastly, I got soft bags, waterproof bags. And I debated on this I have Royal Enfield hard panniers, but I'm going with soft panniers because A, it's a little less weight. They are waterproof, but also it's a little bit more narrow when I put it on the motorcycle. And I want to go off-road a little bit more. And I think the hard bags, even though they add a little bit of protection, I think the soft bags are a little bit more narrow and make it a little bit more agile when I'm going off-road. So that's my Himalayan updates. Man, I can't wait to go on this big trip from Maryland to Prince Edward Island. Again, check out Island ADV. We'll be meeting up. And please like and subscribe if you want to check out the channel. Now, I did go on Maryland, Montana. If you haven't seen that trip, I have 22 episodes. It's really worth it. This is probably my second big long trip. So check out those playlists right there. I got, again, 22 episodes. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy your Royal Enfield Himalayan or whatever you like. Check out my Patreon channel for unique individual content and a lot of interaction, plus a lot of swag. We'll catch you on the next episode, and thanks for watching.